Hey you guys, and welcome to a new weekly vlog. I hope everybody is doing well. So today, honey, we're going outside. I'm going to actually hang out with my aunts. They are like the people who I'm like mainly closest to. Like, I'm really close to all of my aunts. Like, I love all of my aunts. Like, fortunately, like, I have a bunch of aunts that's just so cool, and like I could just, you know, be around them and hang out with them like friends too. But I guess that's what like your aunts is, like your, like the mom version of your best friend. But anyways, I'm hanging out with my aunts and I'm super excited because I haven't like seen them, you know, in person in a while, and all of us being together. So I'm super excited about that. I think there will be a couple more people. I'm not sure. I think my aunt was telling me that. So yeah, but that's fine. But I wanted to vlog it. And you guys, look at my dread wig. This is from Sitting Pretty, you guys. Like, when I tell you, I'm sorry, this camera is getting heavy for my arm, but when I tell you guys, like, look at this. Like, let me take a seat so you guys can see, honey. Look at this wig. Like, it looks so good. Like, you guys need to go and get this wig, okay? I will put it in the description box below, because this wig is bomb. And I've had this wig for so long and it still look this good. Like, look at it. It's plucked to perfection. Everything is perfect. I just added my lace tint spray, and then I've been trying this out and I really love the way this hold is with this. So yeah, that's what I have on. Let me put this camera down because it's heavy. Oh my gosh, I was gonna put on lashes because I'm not wearing makeup, but I forgot that I was letting the glue dry. What is this doing, y'all? I forgot that the glue was drying. I forgot that the glue was drying and it's completely dried down. Well, it kind of looks like in some areas it's not, but I'm gonna have to do this over because yeah, it's not gonna work, because some areas like the glue is dry, so the lash ain't gonna stick right. So I need to do that. I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to wear because I don't know what I want to wear. I want to be very casual because I know we're probably gonna have to do a lot of walking, but I still want to be cute at the same time. So I think I'm gonna go figure out like what I'm going to wear, and then I'll be back. So I am wearing my Skims bandeau, in case you guys are wondering, but I just wanted to, I didn't want to put on my clothes yet because I'm actually wearing a black dress, which is actually crazy because I'm like, why would I wear a black dress in this heat? But it's cool. Like, it's not like all hot and stuff. But anyways, I wanted to come and show you guys my shoes. Let me see what time it is, because I hope I'm not running late because I have to leave at a certain time. Oh yeah, I need to be leaving in like 10 minutes. But anyways, I have time to show you guys what I'm going to be wearing. So yeah, anyways, I am going to be wearing these Crocs today. I just got them. I did want to test them out before I went ahead and did a review on them, but yeah, they're still brand new now. I'm probably just gonna wash them when I review them, so you know, you guys won't be seeing, you know, dirty Crocs. But anyways, this is what they look like, and I wanted to put some gibbets in them because a while back, like, somebody on Etsy had they had some clear Crocs, but they were, you know, they weren't real Crocs. So, and they were cute, and I actually ended up buying them, but I just couldn't wear them because they were the most uncomfortable shoes. So I actually ended up just taking out the gibbets that came in them because that was one of the main reasons why I wanted them as well. But you guys, I made some gibbets. Like, they are so freaking cute. Like, I ordered the little stuff from Amazon. I was able to make them. So yeah, I'm about to hurry up and do this because yeah, I'm running late. So, but I just wanted to share with you guys, and I'll try to get my whole, like, look at this one, it says my name, it says Glam. Look at how cute this is, you guys. But anyways, I'm about to hurry up and put my gibbets in my shoes so we can get on the road.
She ready. She ready. She said, you know, you and TT told her they've been on the vlog. I said, we don't mind.
Yeah, y'all have been on the vlog.
We don't mind. Yeah. I didn't know.
Yeah, I need to show you.
When I was on the vlog. Was I cute? As long as I was cute.
Yeah, you always cute. So yeah.
I must be cute today because Derek kept touching me.
Oh.
Rubbing when I was leaving, he was rubbing on my thighs.
Okay, so I did not even check in, but I drove down to LA / Inglewood, and I got in the car with my aunts. Let me show y'all.
Hey y'all. Hey y'all.
Y'all get a better visual of them when we get inside. But I'm in the car with them now. Oh, I was close to the camera, but I'm in the car with them now. I think it's like 45-minute wait, so you know we gotta wait. But we all hungry as fuck, like. But anyways, I forgot to put on my nails. I just realized that, but whatever. What?
Your baby hairs is cute. I don't know.
Oh, thank you. I be trying, girl. They be so dramatic, and people on here be talking about me like they be like, "Oh my God, it's too much baby hair." It's like, "Oh my God, be basic by yourself." Like,
no, baby.
I know, right? But my real actual baby hair, like my real hairline, come down to here. Like I have to shave it, like for real. So now we can finally go in, and it's been way more than 45 minutes. I hope you guys can hear me. Hopefully this mic is picking up, but it's really pretty out here. It's like really, really pretty. But yeah, we can finally go in now, so that's good because I'm fucking starving. Hey you guys, so I am so tired. It is later in the evening and I just got home and I'm just like wiped. The traffic was horrible, like both ways, and I'm just tired and I actually need to start getting ready because I'm going away for a week. So I need to pack up my stuff. I'll probably check in with you guys later, but I need to take off this wig and like get a little nap. I think my wig lasted pretty good. Like I'm really loving that that new lace bond spray stuff that I started using. But anyways, I'll check back in with you guys later because I'm tired. Okay you guys, so it's been a while, like almost 2 weeks, or actually it has been 2 weeks since I checked back into my vlog. I did take like some time for myself after I met up with the girls and I was reunited with them. And that was really, really good. It was so needed because I just feel like throughout this whole stuff that we went through last year, like it just kind of made me feel disconnected, and it was like easy for me to be disconnected. So I just feel good now that I'm like around like my family and my friends and everything. Like it just feels really good to be around them because it was just too easy for me to disconnect, and I don't feel good when I'm around people or I'm not around people who genuinely love me and care about me. It does not make me feel good. So I was happy to do that, and then I was doing some soul searching because I was going through something. And basically I could tell you guys because this is a vlog, okay? I'm keeping it real. So there was a brand that wanted to work with me, but they of course obviously wanted to like overwork me without paying me like enough and everything. And when I was like, you know, that's a bit much, you know, but I can do this, you know, if that's within your budget, because I'm not gonna overwork myself and put myself in a position where I'm doing all this strenuous work for you and you're requesting, you know, the stars and the moon, and you're paying me pennies or peanuts, you know. But when I let them know that, you know, I was not going to be able to do all the things that they were asking to for their price, they basically more or less told me like, oh, well, you know, you're nothing, basically, like, because they were just like, oh, well, you know, that's why you don't have many followers, because you're not willing to do this and you're not willing to do that, and you don't get that many views because of this, and basically just like trying to lower my worth. And I, you know, that has happened to me personally without like work stuff related. And I, you know, it did hurt my feelings for them to kind of like just put down and downplay like everything that I do. And just kind of demeaned my whole platform and everything. And I was just like, wow. But I had to just take some time to myself, and then just realize like I am worthy. Like, just because I don't want to slave for you for peanuts does not mean that I am not worthy, does not mean that my platform is not worthy. I constantly try to do better, and I will, you know, be better. And I think that I produce quality work. Can it use improvement? Always. I feel like I'm always going to be improving and evolving and everything like that. But to just tell me that I am unworthy is just, I don't know. It was a lot for me. So I had to make sure that I was, you know, aligning myself and continuing on my journey, knowing that I am worthy. And just because some little brand is going to tell me that I'm not, doesn't mean that I'm not okay. And if you are a micro influencer like myself, and a brand tells you that, please don't listen to them. Keep going. I've had so many like positive affirmations and just so many positive things that tell me to keep going. And just because I'm not worthy to them doesn't mean that I'm not worthy to everybody. I work with a lot of beautiful people, a lot of nice hair companies, even Amazon sellers and everything that knows my worth, and they give me, you know, what I'm worth. And I appreciate every brand that I work with that you know, treats me accordingly. I'm gonna treat you how you treat me. You treat me good, I'm gonna treat you good, and I'm gonna produce quality work. But anyways, I just really had to reel it in, okay? Because I was just like, bruh, like, what is going on? Like, I've had like so many experiences where people try to deem me unworthy, and it's just like, excuse me? Like, yes, I am worthy, and I'm so glad that I've grown to be the person that I am now, because like a few years back, like, I didn't know my worth, and I didn't know that. I didn't know I was worthy, and I'm just so glad to be in the place that I'm in now. And I just want to share this with you guys. I know it probably just seems like I'm rambling on. Let me move up. That was the chair, by the way. But it probably just seemed like I'm rambling on, but I just want to share this with you guys, because it's just a part of life, and this happens. And I also want to encourage people who this may have happened to. Don't let anybody stop you from your dreams. The dreams that I have seem very impossible. They, like, seriously, they seem very impossible, but I'm going to try, and I'm not going to let anybody get me down. So I don't want you to do the same thing. I am a micro influencer, but I will not always be a micro influencer. I will be exactly where I am wanting to be, okay? I am going to be where I think that I intend to be, and just, I will be where I want to be, okay? And I'm gonna work so hard to get to the top. I don't care, you know, I don't care what I gotta do, because I ain't killing nobody or doing nothing crazy, but you know what I mean. Like, I'm going to put my all into it. I don't care how things seem right now, okay? And that's just on period. But yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. I want to share these real moments because I am a human. I want to be very transparent with you guys and let you guys know that things are not always going to be peachy keen, especially for you guys who want to be you know, influencers, okay? Because people will try you, they will test you, okay? They will, and you just got to be ready for it, okay? You got to be ready for it and be like, nope, jump your ass back. You're not about to sit up there and play me and use me and make me feel unworthy. But anyways, you guys, I am gonna close the vlog here, and I want to end it on a positive note. This is not anything negative at all. I am not sad. I know my worth. I am a queen putting on my crown. I will never let anybody knock my crown off, okay? I just wanted to let you guys know what's going on, like I said before, because I want to be open with you guys. I want to be transparent. I want to let you guys know about the beautiful moments in my life and the moments that are not so beautiful in my life as well. That was one of them, but it's still something positive for me, because I feel like it was a test for my growth that I've had so far. Thank you guys so much for taking the time out to watch this vlog. I really do hope that you guys enjoyed it. I cannot wait to start back vlogging, because I have a bunch of stuff to share with you guys. As always, I always have a lot to share with you guys. So yeah, I can't wait to start back vlogging. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. Please go ahead and give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if there's any requests that you have, or just tell me anything you want to tell me, or any questions you may have for me. Be sure to go ahead and subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will not miss any of my uploads. Please check out the suggested upload that will pop up at the end of this video as well. I think that you would like my content. The video that will pop up will be best suited for you based on what you watch. So please, if you have the time, watch it. See you in the next video. Bye.